my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. It is Juju, and I have today's Junk Journal January prompt for ombre for 25, and this is what I did for ombre. I took my paints and my mica sprays, and I just went to work and did an ombre effect with 2 or 3 different colors down the side here on the background page, and then took me some washi tape for a page edge. Took my snippet roll and put down here at the bottom for a little pocket band, peekaboo pocket band, and left this side over here like it was. And then I did some tags to go in the belly band. I left the, the ombre, the paint samples for the ombre. And on the back, I put some piano paper so you could have a little journaling card on that. And I slipped that in with the lighter color up so it would follow. And then I also had this tag that I used, and I did the spraying and stuff and the stenciling on it. And then put the pretty little, bird over there, and then did the ombre ribbon on, silk ribbon on top. Added a little butterfly to it. And then on the back, I just collaged several different little scraps of neutral color so you could write across the top of it. And then that just slides right down in there for the little bird peeking out. And that is my day. It was fun. I hope you're having a ball, because I sure am. I'll see you next time. Bye. Love you.